Solar panels are a key component of renewable energy systems, converting sunlight into electricity with remarkable efficiency. Ever wondered how these sleek panels are made? Join us on a journey through the fascinating process of creating solar panels. Our journey begins with the gathering of raw materials, silicon. The main component of solar panels is extracted from silica sand. Other materials like glass, aluminum, and various metals are also sourced to create the panel's structure and wiring. In a high-temperature furnace, the extracted silicon is melted and purified to form silicon ingots. These ingots are then sliced into thin wafers using diamond saws, resembling oversized potato chips. The silicon wafers undergo several rounds of chemical treatments and polishing to ensure their smoothness and conductivity. This meticulous process prepares them for the next stage of the journey. In a clean room environment, the wafers are coated with phosphorus and boron to create positive and negative charges. Essential for generating electricity, thin conductive metal strips, known as bus bars and fingers, are screen printed onto the wafers to collect and transfer the electrical current. Now it's time to assemble the solar cells into panels. Multiple cells are soldered together and encapsulated within layers of protective material, usually tempered glass and EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate. This encapsulation ensures durability and efficiency, shielding the cells from external elements while allowing sunlight to pass through before leaving the factory. Each panel undergoes rigorous quality testing. Technicians inspect for defects, measure electrical output, and ensure that every panel meets strict performance standards. And there you have it, the journey of a solar panel. From raw materials to a powerful tool for harnessing renewable energy. By understanding the intricate process behind their creation, we gain a deeper appreciation for the innovation and technology driving the transition to a sustainable future powered by the sun.